This looks like the start of a beautiful day, but life is so dull without the Ratties. I've been looking everywhere for them for ages. I've had no luck so far. Sun shining, birds singing means nothing to me without those Ratties. Let's look in here. Anybody about? Wait a minute. What's that noise? It's coming from here. Or here? No, it's coming from here. It's the Ratties! I wonder why they weren't answering my letters. This is Tatty. He's extremely worried about crossing roads, so that's why he's practicing his road drill. But don't try this at home, and don't try that joke at home either. Oh, this is dear Uncle Matty. The Fatty brothers are trying to get him to laugh at a joke of theirs, even worse than the one I've just told you. Here's Aunt Hattie doing the weekly wash, including Uncle Matty, who's just dropped in. Baby Matty is a genius. See him completing the Times crossword in 6 seconds and listening to Teach Yourself Swahili on his Walkman. And he's done it, yes. By Jove, yes. Oh, dear. And this is Aunt Hattie knitting Tatty a sweater using the new exploding needles. Tatty's always wanted to get into a scrape. Here's Baby Betty again showing Auntie Hattie some Scottish caber tossing. No, I'm wrong. Hammer throwing. No, I give up. If you know what he's doing, answers on a postcard, please, to Blue Peter, because they're on the other side, and we don't like opening your postcards. This is Uncle Matty again tying up his shoelaces for Britain. And he's in trouble here. Fatty's up to no good. Uncle Matty! Uncle Matty! Uncle Matty! Get out of the way! Yes, he seems to have got the hang of it. You know, this could develop into his party piece. Uncle Matty's world-famous hamster impression. He really has cottoned onto it. Oh dear, he's cottoned off it. Poor Uncle Matty. Now what? Oh, an impression of a gingerbread man. Very good. Here's the Fatty brothers playing knots and knots. Yoo-hoo! Has somebody arrived home? Well, the Fatty brothers think so. They're going to have a look. Yes, sounds like somebody's home. Not all Ratties are like the Fatty brothers who enjoy frightening people. This is one particular Ratty who wants people to like him. He'll do anything to be popular. Run messages, remember things for you. It's Tatty. He's desperate to be liked. Here we see Tatty disguising himself as a budgerigar. He knows that's very popular with people. Yes, the wings are perfect fit. Here he is foolishly perched in a gutter, hoping that somebody will come by who's lost their budgie. Yes, here comes somebody now. A home of your own, with a mirror, perch and a bell, tinkle tinkle. What more could a Ratty want? Oh, she loves his little tricks. And how about this one? It's called bell ringing. Very good. He's thought of another one, and this one's called How to Impress Your Bank Manager from a Great Height. Oh, she's obviously not a bank manager. And here are all the Ratties taking a farewell bow. Twice. Yes, it was a beautiful day.